Vastu Shastra is not like modern architectural science that only defines the physical structures of buildings. It is a scientific study of using positive energies to build a home, with proper understanding of directions, astronomy, and many natural phenomena, and aims at creating equilibrium in the living space by balancing different elements of nature. Vastu Shastra is originated from the Vedic times, or perhaps it is the work of the very first architecture, Viswakarma. His works, along with other Vastu science, is written in Sthapatya Veda, which is a part of Atharva Veda. Here, the meaning of the word Vastu is the connection of man and his building's architect. The science of Vastu mainly considers the primary fields of energies, the solar energy, forces of gravitation, and electromagnetism. These three forces affects human beings and their dwellings in both microscopic and macroscopic aspect. And the basic concept of Vastu is to ensure the maximum benefits from these field of energies by living in the right direction. This is how majority of Hindu temples are built, and so were the ancient homes of India. Modern physics is now telling us that the universe is built perfectly and follows a set of natural laws, certain geometries and forms. If the cosmos is built in a perfect alignment, it is necessary to build homes and offices that fits this alignment. It is important to place each room in the proper location, according to its functions, so that one doesn't become sleepy in the dining table, and hungry in the study, and all the daily activities are performed with a bit less effort. Vastu tells us to build bathrooms in the northwest, or west part of the house, as in India, the infrared rays of the sun gets projected on the west, and comparatively this side is hotter. Bathrooms, if placed on the west side, blocks the infrared rays, and keeps the rest of the house cooler. In India, a great importance is given to the location of the mandir. In a normal-sized house, the puja room is generally in the northeastern side, as in the hours of the early dawn, the sun is in the northeast side. And at these hours, it is recommended to usually sit in the mandir for meditation or prayers. Also in some houses with study room, this direction is better for peaceful and quiet environment in the early morning hours. Apart from the position of the sun, the earth's magnetic field also plays a huge role, as our bones are also magnetic in nature. The iron contained in our blood cuts these magnetic forces to produce electric power, to help brain function, and send electric signals to all parts of our body. This is the reason why bedrooms and the beds should never be in the north direction, as it may repel the magnetic pull of the North Pole, though in subtle levels. But over time, the effect might look larger, causing disturbed sleep patterns and high blood pressure. Vastu also gives lots of importance to always choose the right colors for ideal homely surroundings. Science also tells us that colors have the ability to either depress or stimulate happiness within. Light consists of 7 different colors, and each color is associated with a particular part of the body, and affects us emotionally, mentally, and physically. Like blue is a cool shade, and red is warmer. So people often feel cold in a blue room, and warm in red. Next, if a room has poor daylight, it is better to paint it with lighter shades. And for rooms with lots of natural light, throughout the day, deeper colors will balance the light well. Also, for the rooms with direct sunlight, yellow and peach colors will make inhabitants uncomfortable. Thus, colors, structures, positions makes lots of impact on one's mental health, especially when we need to wake up to same visuals every single day. So applying Vastu while building a house generally has abundant benefits to it.